Noticed, at least in my cell pod, was everything's about race. If you're white,
This is a test of the emergency alert system for broadcast stations and cable systems of Colorado. This station, in voluntary cooperation with the FCC, has agreed to deliver emergency alert system messages in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This station serves the Denver metro area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
But yeah, so your mission was drugs in the facility.
And contraband.
And contraband. So what kind of information have you been able to bring back?